Breaking news. We are getting an insight into the working environment where Sofcon manufactures its products with utmost dedication and hard work.
In a bustling elevator factory, the atmosphere buzzes with energy and precision. Rows of dedicated workers don bright t-shirts emblazoned with the word Sofcon, a symbol of teamwork and commitment. Each shirt serves as a badge of honor, representing the shared mission to produce exceptional elevators that will elevate lives across the globe. As the doors of the factory slide open, the hum of machinery greets visitors. The clanking of metal parts and the whir of electric tools create a symphony of productivity. Workers move with purpose, gliding seamlessly between assembly lines. With focused expressions, they wield their tools like artists, crafting each component with care. The visually striking contrast of the colorful t-shirts against the metallic machinery injects vibrancy into this industrious setting. At the heart of the operation lies a commitment to innovation. Engineers huddle around blueprints, passionately discussing design improvements. Their enthusiasm is contagious, sparking creativity among the floor workers. A spirit of collaboration fills the air, as ideas flow freely and are met with open minds. This shared vision of progress propels them forward, turning challenges into opportunities as they customize elevators to meet unique client needs. The assembly line is a study in efficiency, where each worker plays a specific role in bringing the elevators to life. One technician meticulously inspects the hydraulic systems, ensuring every detail meets safety standards. Another deftly assembles the electronic control panels, wiring with precision to ensure flawless operation. The rhythm of their movements is almost choreographic, a dance of productivity that results in elite craftsmanship. Breaks are filled with laughter, as workers share anecdotes while sipping coffee. The camaraderie is palpable, a vital layer in the factory's fabric. Their t-shirts, consistently adorned with the Sofcon name, serve as a daily reminder of their collective goals. At a nearby bulletin board, motivational quotes and production targets inspire and guide them as they chase their dreams of excellence. As the workday comes to a close, proud employees step back to admire their creations. Towers of gleaming elevators stand ready for transport, each a testament to their hard work and dedication. The factory hums with a sense of achievement. The workers know they are contributing to something greater. With every elevator built, they lift dreams, ensuring that the Sofcon legacy continues to rise. In the heart of industrial innovation lies a bustling elevator parts manufacturing factory, a realm where precision meets productivity. As you step inside, the hum of laser-cutting machines fills the air. These advanced devices wield beams of light with incredible accuracy, slicing through metal sheets as effortlessly as a hot knife through butter. Workers clad in safety gear navigate the factory floor, their determination evident in every stride as they oversee the intricate processes that transform raw materials into essential components for elevators. Across the expansive workshop, focused teams are clustered around workstations, each group dedicated to crafting a specific part of the elevator. In one section, skilled technicians meticulously assemble elevator doors, ensuring that every component aligns flawlessly for smooth operation. Nearby, another team forges elevator headers, the critical top parts that support the structure's integrity. Their synchronized movements echo the rhythm of dedication and hard work that pulses through the factory. The laser cutting machines work in harmony with manual skills, creating a symphony of modern technology and traditional craftsmanship. For components like the landing operating panels, LOP, and car operating panels, COP, precision is non-negotiable. Workers measure, cut, and assemble each piece, ensuring they meet rigorous safety standards. The soft glow of the machines contrasts with the determined faces of the craftsmen as they focus on details that might seem minor, but are crucial for the functionality of elevators. Amid the machinery, the production of elevator buttons takes place. These small but significant components require not only accuracy in their creation, but also a keen eye for design. As workers handle the materials, one can see the care that goes into every mold and every cut, transforming simple materials into the tactile interfaces that passengers rely on daily when entering and exiting elevators. As each part rolls off the assembly line, it represents countless hours of labor, commitment, and skill. The finished products are more than mere elevator components. They are a testament to the hard work and innovation of the entire team at the factory. Every elevator door, header, LOP, COP, Force button created here is imbued with the spirit of collaboration and excellence, destined for elevators around the world. In this factory, the sound of industry echoes not just through the machinery but in the pride of the workers who contribute to a world of vertical mobility.
Here you can check some of the products that we manufacture like LOP, elevator doors, COP and headers.
At Sofcon, the manufacturing of LOP and COP panels is a blend of advanced machinery and skilled craftsmanship. The process begins with high-quality raw materials, such as stainless steel, acrylic, and mirror finishes. Using CNC laser cutting machines, each panel is precisely shaped to meet exact specifications. Bending and punching machines ensure structural accuracy and flawless edges. Panels then move through automated polishing and brushing units for a clean, premium finish. Engraving and labeling are done using high-precision marking machines, followed by assembly and rigorous quality checks at every stage. This automated yet closely monitored process ensures durability, consistency, and a polished final product that reflects our commitment to excellence. Choose Sofcon, engineered to perfection.
Sofcon Elevator specializes in manufacturing a diverse range of elevator doors, including glass doors and vision doors, designed to enhance both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of modern elevators. Glass elevator doors. Glass elevator doors are crafted to provide a contemporary and open feel to elevator interiors. They allow natural light to permeate the cabin, creating a sense of spaciousness and offering passengers panoramic views during their ride. These doors are typically constructed using high-strength materials, such as clear polycarbonate or tempered glass, ensuring both durability and safety. The sleek and transparent design of glass doors seamlessly integrates with various architectural styles, making them a popular choice for both residential and commercial buildings.
Vision elevator doors. Vision elevator doors, also known as vision panel doors, feature strategically placed windows or panels that allow visibility between the elevator cabin and the landing area. These doors enhance safety by enabling passengers to see into or out of the elevator before entering or exiting, thereby reducing the likelihood of accidents. The vision panels can be customized in size and shape, and are often made from durable materials like tempered glass or polycarbonate. This design not only ensures passenger safety but also adds an element of modern design to the elevator's appearance.
Customization and compliance. Sofcon Elevator offers extensive customization options for both glass and vision doors, allowing clients to select finishes, materials, and configurations that align with their building's design and functional requirements. The doors are engineered to meet stringent safety standards and building codes, ensuring reliable performance and passenger safety. By integrating advanced materials and design techniques, Sofcon Elevator's doors not only enhance the user experience but also contribute to the overall aesthetic and value of the property.
Incorporating Sofcon Elevator's glass and vision doors into your building project ensures a blend of modern design, safety, and functionality, catering to the evolving needs of urban architecture.
Just beautiful and wow when we look at Sofcon doors. Too smooth, too efficient.
Full SS? Pure class with that rich glossy finish. Feeling a little extra? The golden SS panel screams elegance. Want to turn heads? The golden mirror reflects royalty in every inch. And if you're into modern blends, the half acrylic half linen is your perfect match, texture meets trend. Oh, and for the minimalists? The full acrylic panels in classic black and white are sleek, smooth, and so aesthetic. So tell me, what's your panel personality? Because these aren't just designs, they're declarations. Sofcon's excellent LOP and COP range is ready to elevate your vibe. Order now to bring home the brilliance.